Whenever you're ready, we'll jibe.
Yep.
You ready?
When you let the boom out center.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Jibe home. Okay, nicely done. Nicely done.
You want the guy in the block?
No. No, because we're going to jibe again.
Why not?
Otherwise we make you move the general back over.
Used to like you.
So, and we'll jibe again when we get, so if we jibe now, we're pretty close to their angle. Alright, okay, let's jibe. Do the pole need to go up?
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crash.
Yeah, it's a good one right now.
Well, we could throw the boom over to starboard. Yeah, we could go deep, throw the boom over to starboard, and
Yeah. Clear the road.
yeah, we could jibe. That'd be a good idea. The main, anyway.
Yeah, as long as you got something.
You're all right on the mark.
Hey, Bob.
Yep.
Can you run the Genoa sheet around the winch?
Yep.
Not necessarily tight, but just get around the winch. One less thing that.
Give up.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Not too hard. It might be a little tighter than this. I've got enough of ass to be too tight. I don't have enough of ass to be too tight. Right? Back in the old days,
Okay, ready on the ready on the takedown?
you on the other side.
Yep. All right, go ahead. Yep, go ahead.
Grab it, guys. Grab it. Grab it.
Nice one.
Guys, pull it in. Yep.
Okay, ready, Tim? Ready. Okay, all right, go ahead.
got the weather marks. You get up there. You just gotta get.
And he has to take time. And we're not on the ley line anyway. Where's Bob?
A good time to go, I would say.
I think you're getting close.
Yeah, you just want to stay in covering position.
Yep.
That's where you want.
Okay. Waves here. Okay, ready? Hard to lead. Actually, softly to lead. Thank you.
Nice going, everybody.
Nice rig. Nice rig.
I think there was more.